Hello seniors, in this video we're going to show you how to access West Seattle specific scholarship information. So you're going to start by going to the West Seattle High School website. From this homepage you're going to select Resources and scroll down to Counseling Center. This will take you to the Counseling Department's website. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down, and from these tabs on the right you're going to choose College and Career. Here, you're going to select scholarships. So this will bring you to the main page of all of the scholarship opportunities, both at West Seattle High School and beyond. So I'll start by showing you, if you scroll to the bottom here, we maintain a list of any and all scholarship opportunities that we hear about. So this is beyond West Seattle High School, anything either in our local community, in the state of Washington, nationally. So here's where you can locate some broader scholarship opportunities. As far as school-specific opportunities, we have all of those listed here. So you'll notice that some of these dates and deadlines are from last year, so we're not quite at scholarship season yet. That's typically beginning in April and then through May and June of your senior year, but just if you want to get an idea for what's out there. So for example, the West Seattle High School Scholarship, if you click this, all of the information here is from last spring, the May 7th deadline. So, but if you, again, want to get an idea for what this scholarship is all about, you can access the application here. These are basically scholarships that we award as a high school. We have funds every year that we're able to award through alumni donations to our graduating seniors. So we have quite a bit of money available. Typically these are smaller scholarships. We're not going to be giving anyone a full ride or anything like that, but you can win scholarships of up to $1,000, which can help defray the cost of college. So these are some of the West Seattle High School scholarship opportunities right here. And then another one I'd like to point out is the Alumni Association. So we have a very active Alumni Association here. They maintain a foundation that awards a significant amount of money to seniors every year as well. This deadline is a little bit sooner. So again, you'll see that everything on here is from last spring. So we have not heard from the alumni yet as far as what their process and deadline will be for this year's senior class, but I would anticipate it will be similar. So you can expect to see this deadline sometime in April. We've got information here. You can visit the Alumni Association's website to learn how to apply to this specific scholarship. But that's another one you'd want to check out, as well as we have information about, of course, the Seattle Promise Scholarship here as well. So these are a couple of West Seattle High School specific opportunities that we wanted to point out to you.